Understanding project options. In this lesson, we're going to focus on understanding what a project is, and what are your menu options within the project to create a detailed site plan. Once you log into the screen, you will go to Existing Projects, and you have the project that you have created listed here. In this screen, you can simply request an export, a Ninki export, which provides you an export in a PDF, a site plan, the property report that has information about the property, the most recent high-resolution image. We do support about 4 images per year that are the latest. And you can have the format of your site plan in a SVG format or AutoCAD format. You can always select the projects to be emailed to you based on their login name. To better understand your options, open your project. As you open your project, it will show the most basic recognition of the property you selected. By zooming out, you get a better feel for it. What is the project information? On the upper right-hand corner, you have the option to go back to Home, which is the same thing as clicking on Inky, option to export, property information, about this given property, and saving the changes as you make them. The center here are the menu options that's available to you. Currently you only have one menu selected, which is the roof, the building. Also, on the corner side, upper left corner, you have the ability to go to Zen mode, preferences, and selection of all the different layers that you have access to. However, they are not selected by default. Lower right is number of tool sets that you have access to. Let's focus on a number of different of these options. Some of them are very self-explanatory. 1. The property overview. When you click on it, it will show the property overview. The property address, who is the owner, the APN number, the zoning for this property, and assessed value of the property. To the Zen mode. Zen mode is enabled. It will provide you a view where you can see all the topography a lot easier. By clicking back on it, it will go back to the previous review. Your preferences. This is where you can set up your map view preferences, show an Inky aerial image, which is the latest image, it's always preferred. You can go back in time to see that. Different timelines, different pictures. This might help you with recognition of the projects. Showing the elevation line, the topography is on. Elements outside are hidden. And the SO. Setback, custom setbacks are enabled. On the expert, you have these other 2 options, if you wish to do so. The menu of layer setting is probably one of the most important layers. By clicking on it, you are enabling various artificial intelligence recognition technologies to recognize additional property information underground. Please note, as we enable any of these, your ability to edit that part becomes available on the menu screen. For example, I'm going to edit hardscape, and you will notice on the screen that I has edited it. You will recognize all the hardscape on the ground. I have a choice to go to make a darker recognition, make it brighter, so this basically enables me to see more. I have the ability to show label only, or label an area. You put in the total square footage of what is recognized. The default is as you see. If I display the dimensions, it will show all the various dimensions on any of these lines, as you see. If I enable recognition of tree drip lights, you notice that all the trees are recognized. This is a critical part of your site plan editing, because as these become available to you, other areas of menus become available on top, where you can make modification. In the next lesson, we'll talk about how to enable and edit what is recognized underground. Remember, layer settings is the most important part of editing your project settings. As always, by clicking back on it, it will go away.